Would you like to make this gift box right now for free? Keep watching. Hello everyone, my name is Tina, I am head of design of VectoriaDesigns, and today I have another freebie for you. Valentine's Day is around the corner and there's nothing as precious as giving or receiving a heartfelt handmade gift from a loved one. And if that handmade gift is small enough, it might fit in the free printable box that you will receive. Just click on the link in the description to download the PDF. Oh yes, very quickly, if you like to craft with paper like I do and you haven't subscribed yet, you're more than welcome to do so now. And now I'm going to show you how to assemble this box. Okay everyone, these are the pages that you will get. So this is the box top and this is the box bottom, and as a bonus here's a print that you can frame that matches this box. Both the box top and the box bottom have instructions on them how to make them, and it's essentially just the same. So I'm going to show you how to make this top, and the bottom will essentially be just the same, only a bit smaller so the top can fit on the bottom. By the way, if you look at the bottom, there's a link. If you subscribe to our mailing list, you get some items for free. There's a whole vintage paper pack and tags and labels, I think. Enjoy! I've printed this on 160 grams paper. That's about 59 lb cover. And then cut the red lines. So step 1 is to cut this out. And I'm gonna start with the top. So now that I cut out all the parts, step 3 is fold the yellow lines. So that's essentially all the folding lines. And if you take a good look, the folding lines are not just opaque, in-your-face lines. I made them already look like folded lines, so they're not too obvious. In order to fold, it's best to score the lines first, and you can do that with a scoring board. That's very handy to have, but if you don't have that, no problem at all. Just use a ruler and the tip of an empty pen. It's perfect. There. All the lines have been scored, and now I'm going to fold them all inwards. And I'm using my bone folder to get really nice folds. Totally optional, you can use your nails or something else that's hard too, like a ruler. And as you're doing this, put a little love in making this box. Make it count. All the scores have been folded. And now it's time for step 4. Put glue on the printed side of A. Now A are these 4 little tabs. Gonna start with these 2. And then 5 is glue A inside non-printed side of B. B is obviously this part on the non-printed side, so that's here. If you're using tacky glue, just hold it for a few seconds. Do the same with this side. And of course, you can glue all 4 tabs at once, but I know myself, if I do that, I'm gonna get glue all over the place. Like literally all. So I like to work 2 by 2. Hold. And hold. And you noticed with my glue, I didn't really go all up to the edge of the tabs. It's not necessary for this design. And now for the next step, I like to fold these 4 remaining tabs over. These tabs are supposed to be glued inwards. If you use very heavy paper and you notice it's going to be a bit too much in there, just cut off a really small angle of each of these tabs, but I'm not going to do that. And then part 6, put glue on the non-printed side of C. C are these 4 remaining tabs. and glue C to the inside. And now I'm going to go a bit more to the edge. I want to go all up to the edge as much as I can. And then fold inwards and use your ruler or your bone folder to press this tab down like this. Moving on to the next one. Rub especially in the corners to get a nice flush finish. And your top is ready. It's basically a little box. And now make the bottom just the same way. When you've got your top and your bottom, you can just put in there whatever you like. Say this is to become a heartfelt gift from a mother to her daughter. Just put some handmade jewelry in there. And she's going to be super happy. I really hope you like this freebie. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video with friends that might like this one too. I wish you a truly happy day, everyone. Bye!